hole in the dirt. Hole. Erase it. Okay. Say it. It. Say it. It. Door. My what? It is the door to my... It is a door to my home, nose, stove, bone, mole. Age, okay. It is the door to my home, okay. Very good. And then this one. Use, okay, what is this? You, okay. A, what? Nose, stove, bone, mole. You see, I am a... Am. I am a mole. This is a mole, Axel. Mole. Mole. This is a mole. This is the stove. He's cooking a bone there. Huh? I sniff with my... Sniff, sniff. I sniff with my bone, stove, nose. No, I sniff with my... Snow. Axel, sniff. And, okay. Nose. It's a L, huh? Or this one. Or this one. This one. I. Say it. I. Say it. I have a what? I have a... Yes, I have a stove. Very good. Okay. Or this one. So read it. I. Say it. I will make soup with this bee. Very good. Bone. Okay. Again, huh? Mom. Sorry. We will read again, okay? This is a hole in the dirt. Hole is a big hole. It is the door to my home. You see, I am a mole. Mole, Axel. I sniff with my nose. Snip, 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 snip. I have a stove. This is the stove, Axel. That's where you cook. I will make a soup. I will make soup with this bone. It's a little bone like this. A bone. That's a bone, huh? Bone. Okay?